Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Leap CRM. In order to do so, head over to leap2digital.com and here you can find Leap CRM. Leap CRM, you can manage your business your way, and with Leap CRM, you get a CRM that helps you manage and grow your business on your terms. In order to use Leap CRM, you are going to need to book a demo, and here you can see the pricing is $79 a month for the essential, and for team you're looking at $298. So if you're interested in taking advantage of Leap, head over to their website, go ahead and book a demo, start the 14-day trial. You can see here for yourself what the dashboard is like, and also if we just scroll down here a little bit more, we'll get an idea for everything that Leap is capable of. Lead intake, scheduling, estimates and proposals, text messaging, materials and work ordering, production planning, subcontractor management, homeowner updates, invoicing, payment collection, reporting. You get the picture. Leap does everything everybody else does, they just do it better according to their site. You can simplify payments and get paid faster. So if Leap CRM sounds like something that you are interested in taking advantage of, head over to leap2digital.com, book a demo, start your 14-day free trial to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find a link to our X page. We just got started. We would love to have you there. We also have our top AI tool recommendations and Roamless eSIM and information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.